In this video, we learn the filter function in Excel, one of the most powerful dynamic array tools that helps you instantly extract specific data from a large dataset. The best part is that it automatically updates when your source data changes, so your results always stay accurate without manual work. Now let's go through 10 practical examples where you can use it in daily work. First example is extracting specific department employees' exact match. In HR work, you may need to quickly list all employees from a specific department like sales. You simply use filter to pull only matching records, and it instantly shows all sales staff in a clean list. Instead of messing up our master list, we use a basic exact match rule. We type Look at that, Elise and Charlie instantly spill over into our output columns. If I change Bob's department from marketing to sales right now, boom, he joins the list automatically. Our second example is show unpaid high-value invoices. The and condition. In accounting, you are a finance manager and need to hunt down high-value uncollected cash. You want to view invoices that are greater than $5,000 and are currently unpaid. To use multiple criteria where both must be true, we use an asterisk as our AND operator. Type the formula. Excel checks row by row. If an invoice is over $5,000 and unpaid, it makes the cut. If it's paid, like Wayne Enterprises here, it gets left behind. Third example is filter data from multiple regions. For reporting, a regional supervisor needs to monitor inventory for both the East or the West regions simultaneously, completely ignoring North and South. When you want an OR logic where either condition can be true, you change that asterisk to a plus sign. Type in Now, our stock manager gets a combined view of both regional warehouse in a single, fluid output table. Next, fourth example is search text inside records. In customer support, your customer service lead wants to isolate all support tickets regarding a system glitch. They need to find rows containing the word login anywhere in the description sentence. Standard text matching won't work here because the text is buried. So, we combine forces by nesting is number and search. Used this formula. Search hunts for the word is number, flags it as true, and filter hands you the exact rows you need to pass along to the tech team. Example fifth is filter data within date range. In sales tracking, a store manager wants to analyze a transactional sales log but wants to isolate a specific window, the second week of January, from 7th January to the 14th. To keep our date formulas robust and region safe, we use the date function inside our boundary check. Used the formula. By establishing a clear greater than and less than threshold, your output row dynamically clamps down on that exact date window. Example 6 is extract only selected columns after filtering. For example, a marketing team wants a list of active students to launch a newsletter campaign. They need the names and emails, but they explicitly do not want the cluttered student IDs or status columns. If you don't want to return the entire table array, wrap your filter function inside CHOOSECOLS. Type the formula. This tells Excel, filter for active students first, then only return column 2 and column 3. It keeps your reporting layout unbelievably clean. Next example number 7 is find blank or unassigned entries. In project tracking, you are leading a project sprint and need a quick status check on unassigned tasks, meaning rows where the owner field is completely empty. Filtering for blanks is incredibly straightforward. You just set your array criterion to equal double quotes. Used this formula. Instantly, your unassigned dashboard populates with your bottleneck items, giving you an immediate action plan for your next morning meeting. Example 8 is case-sensitive filtering for exact codes. A manufacturing plant uses specific product codes where text casing determines the batch type. Normal Excel filters completely ignore text casing, but you need to find only the lowercase code prod-b. To force Excel to respect character casing, we leverage the exact function as our logical test. Used this formula. Because exact checks for perfect character matches, the uppercase and mixed case rows are skipped, pulling exactly what the assembly line ordered. 9 is filter values above average. In property or sales analysis, a real estate agency wants a live dashboard displaying premium property listings that sit above the current market average of their portfolio. Instead of hard-coding a static number, let Excel calculate the benchmark dynamically by nesting the average function right inside the filter condition. Type the formula. Right now, the average is $600,000, so it pulls the listings above that line. If a cheap property sells or a massive villa gets added, the baseline moves and this list recalculates automatically. Our last example is filter and sort results together. Finally, a sales director wants a list of all items in the electronics category, but they want the final report automatically ordered by total revenue from highest to lowest. We can stack dynamic array functions like building blocks. Here, we wrap our entire filter query inside the sort function. We used the formula. The 3 tells Excel to sort using the third column, which is revenue, and the -1 dictates a descending order. This gives you a high-performing leaderboard instantly. And there you have it. 10 ways to put your spreadsheets on autopilot using the filter function. Once you start nesting this with sorting and column selectors, you become a master of your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more corporate workflow hacks, and drop a comment letting me know which formula combination you are going to use first. Until next time, keep building smarter spreadsheets.